like that. The video is not officially starting yet.
Ooh, there is a... I don't know if that's it.
Is that outside?
Oh, it's inside.
Is that a roach?
Ah, it's a ladybug.
Oh, trying to kill the ladybug. Yeah, $2.39 a gallon, guys. Pure 100 plus octane. I'm gonna fill up the whole tank. So let's see what it's gonna come out to. Oh yeah. This is that. Ethanol, baby. Yeah. Anyways, guys, welcome back to another video. Tonight is the real POV drive of the FRS with the new E85 tune. I am roughly making just about 230 to 245, not totally sure, but that is where we're at. This car, and this is also still the pop and bang tune as well. So pretty much this thing is going crazy and is doing what it's doing. And this thing, mind you, looks insane. This car is so beautiful. Ooh. All right, let's make that 25 bucks.
Online at AmericasTire.com, so we have time to plan ahead. I know it looks like a lot.
Maybe not. We'll keep it there. Anyway, 25 bucks for 10 gallons. Sheesh. Give me all that E85 juice. Let's make sure that this is tight, because kind of when I opened it, it was not tight. Anyways, so we're gonna go ahead and set you guys up, and we're gonna go ahead and get this PLV drive started. And guess who's in my passenger seat today? Say hello.
Hello.
Oh, copyright music.
Hello.
Can't be having that. Anyways, we're gonna set you guys up. We're just gonna drive around mindlessly for like, I don't know how long. And you're probably gonna hear some weird stuff coming from her mouth. All right. Gotta be able to see.
Sweet.
I'll make you go outside and clean it. Cristina because my phone unfortunately ran out of space. Like I was telling you guys in the last video. Yeah, it is what it is. Anyways, so enjoy some of this. Unfortunately, Ari kind of forgot to put that tune in for me.
Bruh.
So I don't got that with me right now. But next time I see Ari, I'll definitely ask him. VQ activities. Anyways, if you guys are enjoying the video, don't forget to go ahead and comment down below. Make sure you guys go ahead and subscribe. Give this video a thumbs up. Turn on that bell notification so you guys get that little ding when I upload, so you guys can see some fire videos, dog. And also, just to let you guys know, Sunday, November 5th, I am hosting a roller cruise and meet. So basically, we're just gonna go ahead and meet up in Glendora. We're gonna go ahead and chill there for maybe 30 minutes to an hour. Wait for everybody to come in. Any and all cars are invited. Honestly, it's really a big hangout. Please, guys, no burnouts, no donuts, no stupid shit. I will kick you guys out. I don't want none of that. I want to do more of these, and I want to do it as like a yearly, kind of annual thing. So, please make sure you guys are responsible. We are going to go ahead and be cruising all the way to Topanga Canyon towards Stunt Road, where we're going to get rollers on the freeway. And you know, if you guys can register down in the description below, where I will send you guys your individual rollers of your car. You guys can have that for yourself. Well, pretty much everything is going to be gathered into a really big video, just kind of for fun, honestly. I'm into cinematography, I'm into cars, best of both worlds kind of thing. My girlfriend. So, yeah, don't forget to register down so I can send you guys your rollers specifically. I'll have them in a Google Drive or Dropbox for you guys, so you guys can access it there and also get it at the highest quality possible. It is going to be recorded in 4K, so you guys are going to get that good stuff for free. Are you trying to turn around, man?
Are you trying to turn around?
Oh, no. Are you trying to turn around?
So you're asking me if I want to turn around?
Yeah. We're attempted by professionals. Please do not attempt this in real life. around today. Me and Abel went to go get Costco pizza, and he was like, "Oh, hey, by the way, have you ever been in a front-wheel drive? Or have you ever drifted in a front-wheel drive car?" And I'm like, "No," but like in my head, I'm like, "Oh, I know what this fucker's about to do."
Oh my god.
We were turning onto the main street over there, and this fool hits a drift. It was really fun. Mind you, that's not full throttle.
He's gonna think you're
What?
racing him.
What the heck am I gonna race a minivan for?
You got sold right next to him.
I was trying to roll my car.
Oh, you stress me out too much.
You stress yourself out too
Slow down, there's a cop right there. Oh my god.
Where?
Oh, never mind. You're making me go crazy and you're making me think.
That everyone is a cop? Yeah.
You are too
That was full throttle.
much.
That was full throttle for you.
Can you not start again, please?
Okay.
Now there's a cop ahead. You heard me, right?
Yeah.
There's cops ahead.
Alright, so let's use that.
Something happened.
I'm under the threshold, so I'm cool. I'm not gonna make noise.
Is it Grand? Oh no, this is Citrus, probably. Oh, actually, it's holy
Oh, shit.
moly, there is a crash. Okay then. See, that's what happens. That's what happens.
Dang. There's a sign. I don't know if you guys can see.
They
There's a
freaking
sign on the
demolished
road.
sign.
Oh shit. I hope everyone's okay.
Go, go. Oh.
Oh, fuck. Dang.
I don't think they're worried about you right now.
I really don't think so either. But that car, like the whole front end is done. The radiator and everything is just on the ground. That was a 3-car accident right
It's
there.
like, yeah, 4 cars.
You know, this morning when I went on the freeway
This one's working.
to my work,
Huh?
on the 57, right when I get off,
Yeah.
there was a bunch of like cops and everything right there. I'm like, oh shit, what happened? Somebody fucking flew off the freeway and hit and broke the thing.
What are we in Glendale?
And I was like, whoa. Look at that, darlings.
Whoa!
That's so cool. You said make a left, right?
Well, if you want to go citrus, yeah. Firefighter.
Guys, I can safely say I know where they're going. Alright guys, well, that's going to be the end of today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed that. That was actually pretty fun, especially exploring around an area that we didn't know anything about. We did find some really fun roads though, where we can really fucking book it and kind of get that shit done. If you guys really enjoyed this, go ahead and leave a thumbs up down below. Go ahead and comment down POV again if you guys want to go ahead and see this kind of POV again. And yeah, maybe in the daytime, something like that. Or another idea I have is Christina just did a POV video, so if you guys want to see Abel, Ari, Richard, Jonathan, you know, just kind of do a ride along or anything like that, you know, go ahead and let me know down below who you guys maybe want to see. I know you guys haven't met everybody yet, but it's definitely an idea that I would like to do. So I appreciate you guys clicking on another video. It was pretty fun making this video. I've been kind of wanting to do something like this for a minute. Like I said, don't forget to like, subscribe, hit that bell notification for any future videos, as well as don't forget to register and sign up for the drive on Sunday, November 5th. Again, that's going to be down below in the description, so go ahead and sign up for that. As always, I appreciate you guys clicking on another one. You have yourself a good one.